see today, and I'm not gonna talk for the rest of the video after this clip, but this is in collaboration with one of my good friends from the UK. Her name is Melissa. We're doing the prom look because prom is literally on its way. Like, it's about to be May and then it's about to be June. I know some people have their like prom or their homecoming either next month or in June, so we're gonna do this prom look. And whenever you finish watching this video, subscribe, comment, like, and everything, and then click on the description below or click on her face wherever I put it at the end of the video and go watch her video. Subscribe to her, she is amazing. So yeah, without further ado, let's do this look. And I'm not gonna talk because I ramble a lot. So yeah, so let's get started. Oh, and by the way, anything that the products you guys want to know will be in the description below, or either if you go on my Instagram, everything will be there also. Okay, deuces.
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. I do. I hope you hear me through. No, I was bad for you, so I gotta tell the truth. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. We got some history, baby. It goes back to when you said you liked me. Went out for dinner, the movies. I used to think that we were so lucky. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry.